welcome to my channel. Today's video is a day in the life. I'm going to be taking you guys on my day with me. I won't be doing anything fancy or special, but I just wanted to do something different for my channel. I wanted my subscribers to get to know me a little bit better. And yeah, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with me on my day. I'm having a hard time looking at the camera because I'm supposed to be looking in the lens, but I'm looking at myself in the screen, so my eyes is like wandering off. So yeah, I'm not a vlogger or anything like that. So it's kind of weird and awkward for me right now. But yeah, so I won't be doing anything fancy today, anything exciting. My life is not exciting. I'm a stay-at-home mom as of now with kids, and I don't do nothing. We don't do nothing all day. So I'm going to be doing a day in the life and just see how this video goes and how y'all like it. What'd you say?
30 minutes over?
No. I look ratchet. I got my nightgown on. It's actually kind of late, y'all. We just got through eating breakfast, some French toast. So now we're going to brush our teeth and get dressed and take the kids to the park. And then I need to go to Walmart. I want to go buy some plants and put a few plants on my porch.
Hi, guys.
Say hi. So I'm getting ready to brush our teeth and get dressed and head to the park and head to Walmart. And then I don't know what we're going to be doing after that, but I'll take you guys along with us.
Wash my nails and my feet. Can you wash my nails and my feet?
Ah, we'll see. I'll think about it. I'll think about it.
I can't see the mirror.
You ready to brush your teeth?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You ready to go? That's how I brush my teeth. I want to keep the water running, but it's kind of like wet my face first. I just wet my face first with the towel so that it'll lather good whenever I put this. It's called Pro Strength by Urban Skin. Urban RX. Yeah, it's for African American, I think. I think it specializes in African American skin. Let me cut the water off. I think it specializes in African American skin. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's some good stuff. I like it. And it's called Urban Skin RX. And this is the Lactic Glow, a micro polished resurfacing cleanser. And so I do this just about every day or every other day. Sometimes I forget to do it, but most of the time I do it every day. I like my water kind of hot on my face. It helps wake me up. Just wipe it off. I have to bend down to look in the camera because I don't have a small tripod to put on here. But it's cool. So, wet my face. Whew, I'll try to dry it off a little bit with this air dry. Still wet. And then I have medicated cream that I put on every now and then. My face breaks out sometimes with eczema. And so, I put just a little bit after I clean my face of that. And a little goes a long way for me. I think it's called something, I don't know, something with a D. It's like a steroid cream. And it makes my face so clear. And then I'm going to be using my oil. So this is the Hydra Nutrient Radiance Restore Oil. It has vitamin A, C, and E and rosehip seed oil in it. And I'm going to use just a few drops on the face. Rub that in. Y'all look so ratchet right now. I do. I'm in my nightgown, my bonnet. But this is real life. This is my day in the life. Rub that oil on. And a little goes a long way with this oil too. And complexion protection moisturizer. So since I'm going to take the kids to the park, it's like a sunscreen and a moisturizer together. So I'm gonna put that on. I don't use it often because I don't be outside much, but in the sun. But I'm going to the park, so probably should have shaken this before I put it on. I'll put that on. Yep, so I'll put this on to protect my face. And this stuff, I think it's like a test that I did on the website of like extra questions and stuff about your face and your skin, and they choose what products, they recommend what products that you should buy. And you can buy what they recommend, or you can choose just a few items out of what they recommend. You don't have to buy the whole package that they recommend, but you know, you just buy what you want, but they give you recommendations on what to use for your skin. And I pretty much like it. I've been having this stuff for about 3-4 months now, and it still lasts me. So some good stuff, and it's called Urban Skin RX. And I might link the website down in the description box in case anybody's interested. But yeah, I'm about to get dressed and head to the park. Okay, so I'm combing my hair. It seems like I don't never get out this house to go to the park. I just be procrastinating and I get distracted. Like I was just in the kitchen and I got distracted and started cleaning up some things, knowing I'm supposed to be getting dressed. Now I'm combing my hair, and this hair. Anybody else struggling with their well, I wouldn't say natural. It's my natural hair, but it's not natural. I was natural and I couldn't keep up with it. It was just too much for me. But I'm just struggling with my real hair. Like, I need some weave, some braids or something in this head, because I can't do it. Like, look at it. It's just a mess. Like, I'm trying to curl it and do something with it, but I'm probably gonna end up putting this in a ponytail because it's just stiff, and I don't know why my hair be so stiff, because I don't be putting a lot of oil in it, but it's just stiff and it's just not what's up. Nah, I know y'all hear those kids like arguing. This all day. How many of y'all kids argue all day?
Mom,
what?
Landon forced me to get out the ladder.
He did what?
Landon forced me to get out the ladder.
Well, and he on it? Because isn't he on the ladder first?
No.
Okay, well, tell him don't force you to do nothing. Yeah, this is all day with these kids. I don't know how I'm going to make it in the summertime. Because they about blew me during the pandemic. And when they started going back to school, I finally got some relief. And, whoo, this little spring break. These children here. Look at this, y'all. Oh my God. My hair is a mess. And I don't know if y'all know or not, but I am a cosmetologist. I have a license. And for some reason, when it comes to my own hair, a hot mess. I lost my touch a little bit. I haven't did hair in about 5 years. Occasionally, I'll do my mama hair, like flat ironing and stuff. But yeah, y'all, I don't know if y'all know that, but I am a licensed cosmetologist. And I just realized that doing hair is just the standing up. Don't kiss your shoes, baby. That's nasty. The standing up all day, my back. Nope, can't do it. I just can't do it. And I'm more of like I'm like an old school hairstylist. All that weave and stuff and wigs. I'm not that good at that. Well, I'm not interested in doing that. I'm more of like just roller set, flat iron type of girl doing hair. Don't get me wrong, I can do like weave and stuff like that, but if I really like just try it and practice and do it more, but this going in the ponytail. Sometimes I really be feeling like I belong in the 80s or something, the 80s or something. I don't belong in this generation. Like, I'm different. That's how I be feeling sometimes. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in a ponytail because I'm just not feeling this little stiff hair. I ain't feeling it. I could leave it like this. But it's stiff. I may leave it like this. Oh, Jesus. All right, I'm done. I say you can play in the sand.
Like right now?
Yeah.
Why?
If you want to. Yeah, take your shoes off. We're at the park, you guys. But look, Lanny, he don't want to be on camera. I'm not gonna force him. My plant, I got my pots, a whiskey barrel planter, excuse me. Well, this concludes today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my day in the life. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I really appreciate you guys watching to the end, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Bye.